I have found the perfect dive light. This is the OrcaTorch ZD710. It has a zoom function on it. And what I love about that is when we're underwater and when we take our regular flashlights, you have more of a spotlight, and it burns out right at one spot, but then you don't see everything around it. With the zoom feature here, you have a very wide circle of light around it. You've got 3 different brightnesses here. This is the perfect light that I have found for the diving that we do here at Del Hollow Lake. So let's go to the unboxing and go to a review of it. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing of the OrcaTorch light that was sent to me. I've done one OrcaTorch before. I love these cases that they send with these. And you can see that not only is it pretty, it's stout, I tell you. Unzip it here and we'll see what's included. The ZD710 is the light. I didn't know if I would like these batteries like this, where your charging cable plugs into the actual battery itself, but I've learned to really like that because you don't have to worry about an external charger because you've got your cable here. And then you've got extra O-rings. There are 3 of those that go in here, and I'll show you that in a moment. And then you've got a lanyard, you got a user manual, and then another product manual there. A lot of information there. Tell you what you need to know about the OrcaTorch ZD710. Let's look at the light. I'll tell you what impresses me about this light is, and there are the O-rings that I was talking about, keeps water from getting inside, and then your battery will go in positive side first. You can put a little bit of silicone grease around these O-rings to keep them from drying out. But here is the zoom in and zoom out feature of this, and I believe it's zoomed out right there. Let's zoom it back the other way. Now most dive lights, that's what you get. You get a burnout spot right here, and then around it, if you're underwater, you just don't see that much. But when you zoom this thing all the way out, you have a huge circle of light all the way around right here. And that's going to be really good for us. Very compact light, sturdy built. It has the push button, and you get 3 illuminations with that. You've got high, you got medium, you got low, and then off. So we're ready to get this thing in the water and see how it performs. So my final analysis is you cannot go wrong buying the OrcaTorch ZD710. It's the last dive light that you will ever want.